Hi, I'm Jacqueline with Unitech, and today I'm going to unbox the MS842P, which is our proprietary scanner. It comes with a dongle, so you don't need Bluetooth, which is kind of cool. It's a wireless scanner, scans all your 1D and 2D barcodes with a yellow button for easy scanning. That's that. Also comes with the MS842P Quick Start Guide, which will be very useful if you ever need it for reference. It's got some helpful hints on it. We also have the wall charger, which comes with different international wall plugs, so you can travel with it. USB cable, and of course the dongle, which you hook up to any device that has a USB port. For more information, visit www.unitechbarcode.com/MS842P. Thanks for watching.